Welcome to Choice Champions. The best Meat Loaf Pan is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked tools in any home cook's arsenal, especially for those who love to prepare hearty, flavorful meatloaf dishes that are juicy on the inside and perfectly browned on the outside. This isn't just about baking, it's about achieving that ideal texture and taste, ensuring that every slice is a culinary triumph, making meal preparation a more enjoyable and successful endeavor for everyone at the dinner table. Number 5. Chicago Metallic 2-Piece Meatloaf Pan. Enjoy healthier meals with this innovative baking pan. Its unique design allows fat to drain away, keeping your food elevated for better results. Perfect for your favorite meatloaf recipes. Crafted from heavyweight carbon steel, this pan ensures superior heat distribution for consistent baking. Its durable construction is engineered for long-lasting performance in your kitchen. Say goodbye to messy serving. The convenient lifting insert makes removing your perfectly shaped meatloaf effortless. Simply lift and transfer it directly to your serving plate. Cleanup is a breeze thanks to the premium non-stick coating. Food releases easily, and you can reduce the need for extra oils or sprays. This versatile pan isn't just for meatloaf, it's ideal for turkey loaf and vegetarian alternatives too. It measures 12.2 inches and hand washing is recommended to maintain its quality. What we like. This one features a perforated insert to drain fat, making your meatloaf healthier. Its professional-grade carbon steel ensures even baking and durability. If you prioritize healthier meals and effortless serving, this is the pan for you. What people say. The meatloaf pan has a removable drip tray that catches grease and fat, keeping the meatloaf moist and flavorful. The non-stick coating on the pan makes cleanup a breeze, as the meatloaf slides out easily without sticking. The sturdy construction of the pan ensures even heating and prevents warping, even with heavy meatloaf mixtures. Number 4. Rachael Bakeware Meatloaf Pan, 9-inch. Introducing a clever 2-piece bakeware design. It includes a standard loaf pan and a removable insert, perfect for making meatloaves. This bakeware features sturdy steel construction. It provides dependable performance for all your baking and roasting needs. It's ideal for making breads and meatloaf. The long-lasting non-stick coating ensures excellent food release and quick cleanup. Wide handles offer comfort and control. You can easily manage it, even when wearing potholders or oven mitts. This versatile loaf pan and insert are oven safe. You can use them in the oven up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. What we like. This offers a clever 2-piece design with a removable insert for easy meatloaf making. Its sturdy steel construction and non-stick coating ensure great food release and quick cleanup. If you're looking for a straightforward, reliable pan for both meatloaf and bread, this is a solid choice. What people say. The meatloaf pan with drip tray is a great addition to my kitchen. It's made of sturdy material and the drip tray is a perfect size to catch any excess grease. I love how easy this pan is to clean. The non-stick surface works really well, and I haven't had any issues with food sticking. The design of this meatloaf pan is very practical. The raised center helps the meatloaf cook evenly, and the drip tray ensures a mess-free cooking experience. Number 3. Nordic Ware Naturals Meatloaf Pan with Lifting Trivet. Making meatloaf is now healthier and easier than ever. Our innovative design allows fat to drip away as your loaf bakes, ensuring a lighter meal. Crafted from pure aluminum, this pan ensures your baked goods are evenly browned every time. The rim is reinforced with galvanized steel for lasting durability. The included trivet features convenient handles, making it simple to lift your perfectly baked loaf to a serving platter without any sticking. The pan offers ample cooking space with its interior dimensions, while the trivet provides easy handling from edge to edge. Made in America, these high-quality aluminum pieces are designed to withstand a lifetime of use in your home kitchen. What we like. This pan boasts a perforated trivet for healthier cooking by allowing fat to drip away. Made from pure aluminum, it guarantees evenly browned results. If you appreciate American-made quality and a simple, effective design for lifting your loaf, consider this option. What people say. The meatloaf pan with drip tray is a great addition to my kitchen. It's made of heavy-duty steel that heats evenly and is very durable. The drip tray catches all the grease and drippings, keeping my oven clean. It's also non-stick, so cleanup is a breeze. I love this meatloaf pan. It's the perfect size for a standard loaf and the non-stick coating works really well. The drip tray is a game changer. It makes cleanup so much easier and prevents messy spills. This meatloaf pan is fantastic. The material is high quality and it cooks evenly. The drip tray is a brilliant feature. It collects all the fat and juices, making the meatloaf healthier and the oven cleaner. Highly recommend. Number 2. Wilton Perfect Results Premium Non-Stick Meatloaf Pan Set. Introducing the Wilton Perfect Results Premium Non-Stick Bakeware Meatloaf Pan Set. It's designed to help you reduce fat and enhance flavor in your meatloaf creations. This reliable 2-piece set includes the main pan and a convenient drain tray insert. Its ideal size is perfect for crafting the ultimate meatloaf, and it comes with a 10-year warranty for peace of mind. Effortlessly transport your culinary masterpieces from the oven to the table with its oversized handles. Serving delicious meals has never been easier, even when wearing oven mitts. Experience effortless food release thanks to its premium non-stick coating. Cleanup is a breeze, and the durable steel construction ensures even baking without any warping. The clever insert features ridges and drain holes, allowing excess grease to drip away. This smart design ensures a leaner, tastier result every time. Elevate your meatloaf game by kicking up the flavor while reducing fat. Enjoy a satisfying, guilt-free meal knowing your meatloaf stays free from excess grease. What we like. This set is designed to reduce fat and enhance flavor with its smart insert and drain holes. The oversized handles make oven-to-table transport a breeze. If you want a healthier, flavorful meatloaf and appreciate the convenience of easy handling and a long warranty, this is a great pick. What people say. The meatloaf pan is made of heavy-duty steel, which ensures even heating and durability. The drip tray effectively catches grease and fat, making cleanup much easier and healthier. The non-stick coating on the pan prevents the meatloaf from sticking, allowing for effortless removal and simple cleaning. Number 1. Ultra Cuisine Aluminum Baking Sheet with Cooling Rack Set. Every kitchen needs this versatile baking sheet and cooling rack set. Use them together or separately for endless culinary creations. Spend less time cleaning and more time enjoying your food. The rack is dishwasher safe, and the pan is a breeze to hand wash. Crafted from durable, warp-resistant aluminum with a reinforced rim, this pan is designed for professional quality baking that lasts. Our cooling rack is made from 100% stainless steel, ensuring no rust or flaking into your food. It's oven-safe and built for superior quality. From baking and roasting to grilling, this set is perfect for all your cooking needs. The possibilities are truly endless. Experience commercial-grade quality in your own kitchen. This set is designed for durability and exceptional performance. What we like. This is a versatile half-sheet pan with a cooling rack, perfect for a wide range of cooking tasks beyond just meatloaf. Its durable, warp-resistant aluminum and rust-proof stainless steel rack are built to last. If you need a multifunctional, commercial-quality baking set for various culinary adventures, this is an excellent investment. What people say. The meatloaf pan has a removable drip tray that catches grease and fat, keeping the meatloaf moist and flavorful. The non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze, as the meatloaf slides right out without sticking. The sturdy construction ensures even cooking and prevents the pan from warping. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.